This is how to show executions and P&L on a chart snapshot. Now, right now we are on a Bitcoin chart and we can see we have an open position of 5 Bitcoin. This is the running P&L, and these are previous executions. The blue is buy, the red is sell, and these numbers here are quantity at price that I transacted. But when I take a screenshot and I save the snapshot for journaling or for checking my trades later, these details do not show. I have to go to settings, scroll to trading, and scroll down to the last toggle, orders, executions, and positions in chart snapshots. So the chart snapshots are the screenshots I'm talking about. Shows your trades on the chart in snapshots. So I have to have this toggled on. I go to take a screenshot, download image, and here it is. All these details are saved in the screenshot that we can save in our folder for journaling purposes, learning, education, reviewing our trades later, etc. Now let me go back to TradingView. Settings, you untoggle this and you take another. We open the snapshot, same chart, no details, no blue or red arrows, no quantity at price, and no open P&L. So this is how you can enable or disable the open positions on your chart snapshots on TradingView.